Pinpoint Weather, certified Atlanta's most accurate forecast.
Heads up, Lake Lanier, you've got a big thunderstorm and some heavy rain and gusty winds, 35, even 40 miles per hour headed in your direction, especially the northern half of Lake Lanier. This is drifting to the south and eventually will affect the Gainesville area if it does hold together. Also a weakening thunderstorm across portions of Bartow County over into Cherokee County. Canton, that is headed in your direction. A lot of the Atlanta metro is quiet right now. That will not last throughout the entire evening. We've got a very powerful thunderstorm, a line of storms in northern Alabama that will slowly drift in our direction. It'll mainly stay strong for the northwestern corner of Georgia. It will weaken as it drops to the south, bringing some rain to areas along I-20 from Carrollton all the way into Atlanta by 10 o'clock in the evening. Once we get past sunset, though, we'll see a lot of these weaken pretty rapidly. By tomorrow morning, a lot of us are dry. It'll be very humid. It'll be a very hot start to the day. And in the afternoon, we have a much better chance for widespread and more organized showers and thunderstorms than what we've seen for the past couple of days. In fact, by 4, 5 o'clock, most of the northern half of Georgia is covered in rain and thunderstorms, some of them even strong to severe. And it does look around 5 o'clock in the afternoon that we could be seeing some of those stronger storms in the Atlanta metro. Once again, once we get to sunset, these start to taper off just a little bit. We do have a chance for those stronger to even severe storms tomorrow, mainly areas along and north of I-20, everywhere that you see in green. This is a level 1 out of 5 threat, but that still means we could see strong winds, 60+ miles per hour, some small hail, heavy rain, and of course lightning is always a threat in the summertime. Our rain chances stay pretty high this week. We have another chance for severe weather on Wednesday, again on Thursday, before our rain chances start to back off by the end of the week. And that might have you wondering, what does that mean for the 4th of July? By the 4th of July holiday, we fall back into a more typical summer-like pattern where we have those popcorn pop-up thunder showers in the afternoon. Only about a 40% chance on the 4th of July with temperatures near 90. You can see the sky is starting to get a little bit dark by Lake Lanier on our CBS 46 Pinpoint camera network. In Atlanta right now, this is our hottest day of the year so far, 92 degrees. You factor in the humidity, it feels like 95 outside. Once we get to the evening time frame, we'll fall back into the 80s pretty quickly. Overnight, we'll drop into the 70s, a warm start to tomorrow morning, and tomorrow another chance to make it into the 90s for areas along and south of I-20, where we do see more rain, where we do see the thunderstorms. It will be a little bit cooler, only 77 in LJ tomorrow, and Atlanta, I'm not expecting us to make it into the 90s tomorrow afternoon. In fact, I don't have any 90s on our 7-day forecast. Temperatures stay in the 80s throughout the week with the clouds and the rain chances. And there you go. You have the 4th of July holiday weekend. Yes, we do have a chance for rain, but not one day. Looks like a complete washout, and temperatures are back close to 90 by the weekend.
Molly, thank you. All new at 4.